Magnesium chloride powder ball press, a multi-purpose machine. The equipment, through the change of roll plate mold, can produce a variety of shapes and specifications of products. According to user needs to make a variety of special shaped mold to meet the various needs of the market. Magnesium chloride powder ball press equipment, using mature, advanced technology, can make the material in 3 to 5 seconds full exhaust to ensure the product of high density and high strength. Equipment can be replaced. Mold can produce a variety of shapes and specifications of products. Widely used in heating industry, power industry, chemical industry, and liquid crystal industry. High degree of automation, reduce labor intensity, large enough production capacity to meet the production needs of large-scale magnesium chloride powder pressing enterprises. Later maintenance and maintenance of equipment is simple and convenient. Magnesium chloride powder ball press model. Power is different in the selection of our own output to decide